Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering Looksrare and my general market outlook on it. So first I want to discuss the fundamentals behind Looksrare because I think that's very important in the longer term view on this. So if you don't know, Looksrare is an NFT marketplace and it's got lower trading fees than OpenSea, so that's a positive. It also has, in my opinion, a generally better team as far as listening to the community and feedback. And overall, I think they've got a they've got true competition at OpenSea because Looksrare is definitely growing. It's getting more volume lately, and it's got a growing community behind it. Plus, the team is very, they're very open to suggestions from its users, whereas OpenSea is not so much, and it does not actually seem to care about its users for the most part. So that's the fundamentals. You can also stake your Looksrare and earn rewards on that, so that is something you might want to check out. And if you are trading NFTs and you trade on Looksrare, you earn tokens back. So you earn trading rewards for trading on Looksrare, which is another benefit as opposed to OpenSea where you earn nothing. So first I want to note this general downtrend in the price that we've seen since inception, where we've had these higher or these lower highs here. So first the peak at $7 and then again at $5.70 and then $3 and then again here at $2.20. So if we can get above this general downtrend, I think it's got like a clear path ahead of it. We can see how it looks like we have a double bottom in place here with the two lows made and then a higher high from this point. So the price action is looking, it's in a downtrend, but it does look a little better than it was, right? When it was over here, we weren't sure if it was going to take out these lows and continue down, but clearly that's not the case anymore. One of the things I want to mention is how most of the altcoins lately have been correlated to Bitcoin, very much so. So that, if the Bitcoin's going down, most alts are going down. And there's very few that are performing well against Bitcoin as of right now. You can see how the Bitcoin dominance has been mostly stagnant for the past few weeks. I touched on that in my last video if you want to check that out. But a lot of altcoins have not made crazy moves against Bitcoin, and this makes sense to us, right? The market's in general a little more bearish right now, so investors are not looking to take on massive risk, especially with newer tokens like Looksrare, which have not had, a year of experience to prove that the team is solid and that we can assume that this project is going to stay. But at the surface level, it does look very promising. I was very excited to see how it launched. So if you aren't familiar with it, basically Looksrare airdropped a lot of tokens, not all, but they airdropped a lot of tokens to OpenSea users. So not only is this good because it gets the right target user by um, focusing on people who are actually interested in NFTs, it also gets a better distribution and it gets a lot more awareness around the project. So that was a great feature of the launch. Obviously, it resulted in a short-term hype peak at $7, and since then it's been down. But I think over the long term, I think this is a good project. And I think that if we can break this downtrend here and start reversing back up so that we have this sort of uptrend on our hands, right? Maybe if we do something similar to this where we come down, we hold this, get above this, and take out this high right here. So if we see something like that, I think the price chart would look a lot more bullish. We would have a lot more activity flowing into Looksrare because people want those trading rewards, which are going up. So I think that is a catalyst for Looksrare to grow, and I think if we can see this downtrend break, it's looking very promising for Looksrare. But as always, I would suggest caution because we're still in a downtrend. We have not broken this resistance yet, and we could ultimately continue lower. So just be aware of that. Be cautious if you are looking to get a position in this. And ultimately I believe its fate is tied to Bitcoin right now, as most other altcoins are, given how Bitcoin is just dominating the market and showing its strength in, that if Bitcoin decides to drop quickly to 36,000, most alts are going to be um, underwater as well, as in they have no shot of breaking out. So that's my general outlook on Looksrare, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, a like and subscribe would be appreciated. Also, if you can leave your comments and feedback, I would greatly appreciate those as well. And as always, I will see you in the next one.